animal for you. You're a gentle giant, aren't you?
Here we go. 1, 2, up!
Whoa! Oh my gosh! He's on the gator! No way!
Keep moving, buddy. That's it. Good boy.
Watch out! Watch out! He cleared it!
And safe.
That was insane.
All right, buddy, let's give you the mission look. Teal coming in hot. Look at that color. That is gorgeous. Yeah, contrast with the beak, perfect. Little blow dry, little fluff. You vibing? I can tell. And now, the final touch. Boom.
Oh my gosh. It's actually just letting it run.
Look at the size of him.
He's not moving a muscle. He looks happy.
The happiest bear I've ever seen.
That honey stream hasn't stopped.
I won't leave till it does.
Это пиздец. Смотри, ты когда-нибудь видел такого жирного медведя?
Охренеть, я таких жирных медведей в жизни не видел. Это что вообще ебать такое?
Look at this thing! It looks like it landed from the future. Are you ready, buddy? Go, where did he go? Oh my gosh, it's doing something! Okay, okay, no wait, oh my god! What? Are you kidding me?
The whole flag!
Bro, that pole's gone.
Do it, Chuck, do it. Oh, no, he ate it. He straight up ate
I
it.
just bought that wedge.
Look at him chewing, man.
Oh my lord, send this to your groups.
Vai, você consegue. Só não esquece de treinar as pernas.